Wow, great makeup. Thanks. For a clown.
Don't listen to them. Let's just keep walking.
I think she looks cute. Like that time we put a sweater on your pet poodle monkey.
Good one, Star.
Let's go, Toph.
No, that was a good one. Like your poodle monkey. You know what else is a good one?
Now that was...
You were tossing me around like a rag doll all day long.
I know! And I'm an old lady! Imagine me in my prime!